Hello friends, this is Chetna. Today we are going to learn about DNA and RNA. So let's start with the DNA first. DNA is a deoxyribonucleic acid and DNA is a large nucleic acid molecule mainly found in chromosomes in the nucleus of a cell. DNA is the carrier of genetic information that is coded as a genetic code or a gene in a sequence of nitrogenous molecular subunits. Now these subunits form a DNA molecule. Let's see about RNA. RNA is a ribonucleic acid and RNA is found both in the nucleus and in the cytoplasm of cells. It is made of nitrogenous molecular subunits. It transmits genetic instructions from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, RNA takes part in the production of certain proteins. Now let's learn about reproduction. The cell reproduces in two ways. First mitosis and second meiosis. Mitosis, here the daughter cell formed contains the same number of chromosomes, that is 46. This occurs in all cells. And second meiosis, here the daughter cells has half the number of chromosomes, that is 23. This takes place in sex organs or testes or in female ovaries only. Now let's see certain properties and functions of cells. There are 6 properties and functions of the cells we have mentioned here. First is ingestion and assimilation. In these cells take in their nutrition through the cell wall from the intracellular fluid. They take in simple substances like amino acids and convert them into proteins to make the protoplasm. Cells are very active chemical conversion units in which final products of a food eaten by human beings are absorbed and assimilated. Now the figure we have seen, in this figure 3 parts are there, A, B and C. In the A part, cell with a nucleus we can see. In the B part, beginning of the cell division is already taken place. And in the C, separated the 2 new cells we can see. So these are the stages in cell division. Now let's move toward the second property and function of a cell, that is anabolism. In this, the material taken in by cells is assimilated assimilated and used to synthesize the protoplasm and grow in size. It can be used to repair or replace dead or injured cells also. This process of growth and repair in cells is called anabolism. The next is a catabolism. In this, cells needs energy to live and function. Hence, some of the food they absorb is used as fuel. The food is broken down to get energy and this process is known as catabolism. In this we see the metabolism. Metabolism is the process Metabolism is the process of anabolism and catabolism go on simultaneously in the body and together. It is known as metabolism. End products of metabolism are called metabolites. Now the next function is respiration. Now cells also have to breathe for their survival. For that they take oxygen brought by the blood and give away carbon dioxide, a waste product. Then after respiration, excretion is there. The waste produced as a result of catabolism and respiration is sent out by the cells to the extracellular fluid and from there by blood to the lungs, kidneys, etc. for excretion. Now the last function and property of cells is excitability and conductivity. Now in this, cells can be stimulated by physical, mechanical, chemical, electrical and other means to which they respond. This causes the cells to contract as in the case of muscle cells we can see. Then produce secretions like in cells of a stomach or the endocrine glands, and then conduct an impulse, that is nerve cells, etc. Thank you for watching.